Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Ferrari Roma in park. To begin, locate the P button on your center console. This button is specifically designed to engage the parking brake. Ensure your vehicle is completely stopped before proceeding. Once stationary, press the P button firmly. You will feel a slight click and a light will illuminate, confirming that park is engaged. This simple action secures your beautiful Roma. When you press the P button, you are activating the electronic parking brake system. This is a crucial step for safely securing your vehicle. After pressing, listen for a subtle mechanical sound and observe your dashboard. A dedicated indicator light, usually a P symbol, will light up to confirm that the parking brake is fully engaged and your Roma is safely parked. For optimal safety, always ensure your Ferrari Roma is completely stationary before engaging the park function. Engaging park while the vehicle is in motion could cause unnecessary wear or damage to the system. When parking on an incline, it is especially important to use the parking brake to prevent any unintended movement. Always double-check the dashboard indicator light for confirmation. To safely exit park, first ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, select your desired gear, whether that's drive or reverse. The Ferrari Roma system is designed to automatically disengage the parking brake once a gear is selected and you begin to accelerate. This seamless transition allows for a smooth and effortless departure from your parking spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.